Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Braun Hand Blender is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen appliances you can own, seamlessly blending soups, smoothies, sauces, and more right in the pot or container, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. This video will dive deep into what makes this particular Braun Hand Blender stand out from the rest and help you decide if it's the right choice for your culinary needs. Number 5. Braun MQ505. It's the Braun MultiQuick 5, rated number 1 by America's Test Kitchen. This immersion blender makes blending easier and more efficient than ever before. See how its unique bell shape and blades reduce suction, pulling food inward for a smoother result every time. Say goodbye to chunky soups and hello to perfectly blended creations. With splash control technology, it virtually eliminates splashing. Enjoy a clean and mess-free blending experience. This blender is built to last. The high-precision German-engineered motor ensures smooth, comfortable operation for years to come. Effortlessly switch between blending, chopping, whisking, and more with the Easy Click system. It's quick, easy, and incredibly versatile. With stainless steel blades, an ergonomic handle, and dual speeds, it's simple to create your favorite meals. It's the perfect blend of power and convenience. What we like? It's been voted as the top pick by America's Test Kitchen. Its unique design virtually eliminates splashing during use, making cleanup a breeze. If you value ease of use and cleanup, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Appears well made with a good grip and balance. Unit separates for easy cleaning and the whisk attachment has been handy. Powerful, at 350W this can blend through walnuts, frozen fruit and basically anything I throw at it. The only thing I haven't tried are ice cubes, but I don't doubt that it would be able to handle it. Easy to clean. All I do is detach the head and run under the faucet. Maybe use a bit of soap, but it's so much easier than a full blender. Compact. This fits in a drawer and takes up very little space. I can pull it out and use it within 20 seconds. No mess. I can't believe how elegantly it blends things without any splatter. It's something you just have to witness to understand. I don't need a lid, or need to be careful to not get smoothie bits everywhere. The blending head is really well engineered. I bought this to replace my old countertop blender. It's very strong and easy to use and purees cooked veggies very well. I'm happy with it. Number 4. Braun MultiQuick 7. This hand blender is a favorite of America's Test Kitchen, praised for its comfortable grip and easy-to-use controls. It's designed for effortless single-handed operation. Experience the innovative Easy Smart Speed technology. Intuitive control lets you adjust the speed simply by how hard you press the button, for perfectly customized results. It boasts a CTAV blade technology for 250% more active cutting surface, delivering incredibly smooth blends. The powerful 500-watt motor handles even the toughest ingredients with ease. Say goodbye to messy splatters. The advanced SPLSH control technology minimizes splashing, keeping your kitchen clean. It also reduces suction for better control. The patented POWR Bell Plus features an extra blade for superior chopping and blending power, making quick work of even the toughest ingredients. Switch between blending, chopping, whisking, and more in seconds with the Easy Click Plus system. It's versatile and incredibly convenient. What we like? This hand blender boasts innovative single-hand operation and active blade technology for faster, finer results. The Power Bell Plus ensures effortless blending of even the toughest ingredients. If you're looking for speed, efficiency, and ease of use, this is for you. What people say. It is a reputable brand and the product feels high quality. It is very easy to operate and lightweight. I love that it's corded plug-in and not battery operated. It's easy to handle and works as expected. Very good blend power, very easy to use. Number 3. Braun MQ7025X. This hand blender is highly recommended by America's Test Kitchen for its comfortable grip and easy-to-use power button. It's designed for effortless single-handed operation. Experience the world's first Easy Smart Speed technology. Intuitively control the speed and power simply by adjusting the pressure on the button. It's that simple. It boasts a CTAV blade technology, a flexible shaft that increases the cutting surface for faster and smoother results. Even the toughest ingredients are no match for its powerful motor. Say goodbye to messy splashes. The advanced SPLSH control technology minimizes splatter, keeping you and your kitchen clean. It's designed for effortless handling and perfect control. The patented POWR Bell Plus features an extra blade for more efficient blending. It easily handles large pieces and hard ingredients. With the EasyClick Plus system, switching between attachments is quick and easy. Blend, chop, whisk, mash, and puree, all with effortless precision. What we like? It features the world's first easy smart speed technology for intuitive control and active blade technology for superior blending performance. The Power Bell Plus blade crushes even the toughest ingredients. If you desire precise control and superior blending power, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a reputable brand and the product feels high quality. It is very easy to operate and lightweight. I love that it's corded plug-in and not battery operated. It's easy to handle and works as expected. Very good blend power, very easy to use. Number 2. Braun MQ9137XI. Introducing the Braun MultiQuick 9-hand blender, designed for effortless blending and culinary creativity. It's the ultimate kitchen tool for creating delicious and healthy meals with ease. With its powerful 700-watt motor, it effortlessly tackles even the toughest ingredients. Watch it transform whole foods into smooth creations in seconds. Active blade and active power drive technologies deliver exceptional results. It blends up to 6 times finer and 60% faster than previous models. Enjoy precise control with iMode's 3 speeds and Smart Speed technology. Simply squeeze the button to adjust the power to your exact needs. The EasyClick System Plus makes switching accessories a breeze. It's compatible with a wide range of Braun attachments, opening up endless possibilities. It comes with a variety of attachments, including a chopper, ice crusher, whisk, puree masher, and a BPA-free beaker. Everything you need to create a wide range of dishes. Braun is there for life's most important moments. Whether it's a special dinner or a quick family breakfast, it helps you make every meal memorable. What we like? This powerful blender features a high-performance 700-watt motor and iMode technology for precise blending. Its versatility with various attachments makes it perfect for a wide range of culinary tasks. If you need power, precision, and versatility, this is the best option. What people say. The Braun Hand Blender is rugged and powerful. Every tool you need to make a wide variety of dishes of varying consistency. Baking, smoothies, mash, whip, smooth, you name it. It has plenty of power to blend my morning shakes, easily pulverizing the cacao nibs I add. The wand and whisk are super easy to clean as well. Number 1. Braun MQ5064 Spiralizer. Get ready to experience the future of food preparation. This innovative spiralizer is designed to make healthy eating easier and more enjoyable than ever before. It's 35% faster than other standalone electric spiralizers. Our unique design and powerful motor deliver incredible speed and efficiency. With its one-handed design and 21 distinct speeds, you'll have ultimate control. Maintain precise speeds for perfectly even spirals every time. Create narrow, medium, or wide spirals with ease. It has 3 blades to suit any recipe and any vegetable. It's more than just a spiralizer. Easily transform it into a chopper, blender, ice crusher, or hand blender with additional attachments. Switch between functions in seconds. The simple click system makes changing attachments quick and easy. Expand its capabilities with other Braun attachments. Cleaning is a breeze. Many parts are dishwasher safe, and a cleaning brush is included for easy maintenance. What we like? It's 35% faster than other spiralizers and offers Vario Speed technology for precise control. Its multifunctional design allows you to spiralize, blend, chop, and more. If you need speed, versatility, and precise control for your spiralizing needs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The handle was grippy and the bell-shaped head reduced splashing. The variable speed allows for starting slow and speeding up when you don't know how much power you will need. The turbo really shines when spiralizing, zip go the zucchini. This model is a 400-watt motor compared to a 350-watt on the basic MultiQuick 505. I definitely notice a difference in power. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.